Hello ladies and welcome to Pick April Diary Style. If you're new here, I'm Suchi. In this video, I'm sharing some really classy and elevated way you can style your shorts this summer. Now before we even begin to style our shorts for summer weather, let's figure out what are the styles of shorts that you absolutely should avoid wearing and what you should actually be wearing. I'm talking about these really super short denim shorts or ribbed shorts that just look a little bit tacky. Now, I'm not talking about raw hem shorts. They still look elevated in the right length. If you are wearing these ripped shorts or super short shorts, I would steer away from them for your regular everyday wear. Instead, go for wide leg denim shorts. They are really comfortable to wear. I absolutely love them because you can easily sit, walk, eat, do whatever you feel like in comfort while elevating your outfit. Now, in terms of other styles of shorts, I would again steer away from printed shorts. Printed shorts in general look a little tacky. They're perfect for your resort wear, or you're going on a vacation to Tulum or Cancun or Miami. You can wear them probably around your resort or poolside or by the beach, but otherwise for your everyday wear, they just look a little bit tacky and old-fashioned. Stick to solid colors. My favorites are just linen shorts because they are super comfortable to wear. They look elevated because of the linen fabric in general. I would go for one white linen shorts, one black linen shorts, and probably another color like navy or gray or tan based on what you really prefer. A lot of you prefer shorts and t-shirts as an outfit combo. It's really easy to put together and really comfortable to wear as well. And you can absolutely do that with linen shorts. Just pair your favorite color t-shirt with linen shorts and voila, you have a classy or a comfortable outfit that you can also style in a classy way. In my first outfit, I'm wearing this really orange crew neck t-shirt. This one is from COS and it's really comfortable along with this white linen shorts. This is such a classy combination and easy color combo that is going to look really expensive as well. Now I added a tan belt. I feel like tan belts add a really great neutral contrast to this outfit, and they again add a luxe touch to this look as well. Again, my footwear is all in neutral. You can either match the color of your belt, tan belt, with your footwear by wearing a tan footwear. Otherwise, you can also match the color of your shorts with the footwear that you're wearing, and that's it. Now, you can literally change this outfit by simply changing the color of the t-shirt that you're wearing for a different variety of look. This next outfit, she looks really chic and sophisticated actually in shorts because she's wearing collar knitted t-shirt, which is a little bit thicker fabric, and the collar detail elevates this look. She completed this look with loafers, which again adds another layer of sophistication. This is a great way to elevate your casual shorts outfit. Now, if you're wearing a fitted t-shirt or a tank top, you can literally elevate it as well. Like in this outfit, she's pairing this fitted t-shirt with a linen blazer. You don't have to go with black. You can also add some really fun colors like navies or pinks to really create chic summer looks with your linen shorts. Now, this outfit looks put together. It does not look frumpy in any way. And if you want to wear your shorts to somewhere chic or somewhere fancy, simply add a nice top to it, like this off-shoulder top. Instantly makes this outfit really festive and special occasion friendly. And paired with little slides, you can literally wear this to any kind of event where you want to dress up your shorts. Now, the key elements here is to add some accessory with jewelry like necklace, some bracelets, a little bit of rings to literally take this outfit to the next level. Striped shirts with white linen shorts are another really classy combo that will look great on any body type. I absolutely fell in love with this classy combination in my trip to Italy last year. I'm sharing a photo right here. That was such a hit. I just fell in love with this outfit combo where I'm still wearing shorts on vacation, but it's not looking tacky or literally like, athleisure or some really frumpy outdated style. It still looks polished and put together perfectly perfect for a European vacation. So this outfit combination, again, you can create with so many different colors of striped shirt. And in this outfit, I'm wearing this pink striped shirt with these white linen shorts, and I'm adding some black accessories with a black handbag and black belt just to give a little bit of a contrast to this outfit, but I'm sticking to the 3-color rule by pairing a white footwear. But this next outfit gives you the Parisian vibe with just a simple blue linen shirt paired with white linen shorts and adding slides that look really vacationy and perfect for summer weather. And you don't just have to wear blue or pink, you can literally wear any style of button-down shirt with your white linen shorts and instantly create a classy, sophisticated summer look. You can recreate this particular outfit combination in so many different ways. You can swap the striped shirt with a striped t-shirt if you really want to add that striped detail but you want to feel casual. You can also do that with a striped t-shirt or a striped tank top, which I also absolutely love. Perfect for summer weather where you want to bear a little bit of your arms or sleeves and you want to add that summer chic look. The key here is to making sure that you're really wearing the right footwears that are complementing your outfit. If you're going for something casual, you can definitely pair sneakers or walking flat slides that will be comfortable to walk in. And if you really want to elevate or dress it up, wearing a little bit of a block heel or espadrilles, which are my favorite summer footwear with this particular outfit to take it to the next level. Your shorts collection cannot be complete without black shorts, and black linen shorts are again an excellent wear where you can wear black in the hot weather because linen in general is a natural fabric and it is breathable, so you will stay comfortable even when you are wearing black. In this first outfit, we're creating a black and white combo, which I feel like is such a classy combo and looks so elegant and elevated in the summer weather as well. I'm wearing a square neck top, white tank top or sleeveless top with this black linen shorts. Again, I'm accessorizing with all black accessories with black belt, black loafer mules, and black bag. Now you can also dress it up by simply adding a third layer. I love adding a pop of color to kind of sometimes basic colors because it just adds a more vibrance to your outfit and it also brings in that summer vibe to your look. So in this next outfit, or it's the same outfit, I just simply layered a pink blazer. You can go for linen blazer or lycra blazers. They are again lightweight for summer, perfect for summer weather. Or if you have a pink tweed jacket, you can also pair that with this particular outfit. Again, there are so many different ways you can create this black and white really chic outfit combo in different by simply swapping your top with something else. Like you can also go for a white crew neck t-shirt with this particular outfit combo and still create a classy and elegant look. Now the reason why I also love sticking to the basic color in terms of my shorts, if you have a white or if you have a black linen short, is because you can easily also create monochromatic outfit. In this next outfit, I'm wearing white linen short with the same white tank top, and literally this outfit is so easy to put together, throw on. If you don't have a tank top, you can simply wear a white t-shirt or a white button-down shirt as well. That's also an easy way to just change it up a little bit. Now it's all about accessorizing this outfit, so I went to again with the belt, and I wanted to add a pop of color, so I went with a footwear that is in a different color shade. I wore pink slide sandals and paired pink bag. Now you can also take this outfit and add a third layer. I added a striped cardigan jacket to again add a little bit more of a pattern and depth to this outfit. This is such an easy way you can throw in a third layer to your outfit and just go when you're on the go without feeling like you don't know whether it's going to look good or not. That is the power of a monochromatic outfit. You can literally create this all white monochromatic outfit and turn it into an all black monochromatic outfit simply by swapping both of them with all black pieces as well. Now if you are a denim shorts lady, absolutely fine. As I said, if you're wearing these wide leg denim shorts, you are perfect. You can really create some chic outfits. Now my favorite outfit combination with denim shorts are pairing them with button-down shirts. I feel like button-down shirts instantly elevate denim shorts, which are really casual and laid back. So in this outfit, I'm kind of creating a monochromatic outfit by pairing light blue button-down shirt with my denim shorts. Now you don't need to stick to same color. You can also wear black or white denim shorts and do the same thing. Just pair a linen button-down shirt or a cotton button-down shirt. You can also recreate this look. It doesn't have to be monochromatic all the time. You can simply wear a white button-down shirt with a blue denim shorts and look really classy and elevated. I feel like the button-down shirt just adds a little bit more of depth and sophistication to this really casual and laid-back denim shorts. This outfit is a perfect French summer look where pairing the denim short with a relaxed with striped t-shirt creates a really classy look. It just looks effortlessly chic, and adding some tan accessories like tan belt and tan slide sandals, this outfit just looks perfect for summer weather. Here is another outfit formula where the raw hem denim shorts really look classy because it's paired with a white button-down shirt and a spatula wedges. It just looks chic, feminine, at the same time really comfortable and casual as well. Color shorts are again a great way to change up your summer shorts outfit. And my favorite are navy shorts or some bright magenta shorts where you still have a little bit of a pop of color, but they are not really insane colors like neon colors and as such. An easy formula is simply to create a monochromatic outfit by pairing the same colored top with the same colored shorts. Now it doesn't have to literally match like in this outfit where I'm wearing literally the same colored t-shirt, or you can say jersey t-shirt with my linen short. If you already own something in the same color family in your wardrobe, you can literally also pair that. Now I added a contrast belt to create a waist definition. This is an easy way to take your outfit to the next level because without a belt this outfit is going to look really plain Jane and boring. Now this is a great way to dress up this really simple and plain Jane outfit of shorts and take it to the next level. Now again, you can really create, I feel like you can again create this outfit formula in so many different colors and patterns. You can go for striped t-shirts, you can go for even knit to wear tops that you can wear with matching or similar color tone of shorts. Let me know which one was your favorite outfit formula in this video in the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button to let me know. And if you haven't already, click the subscribe button to join this family of ladies who really want to elevate their everyday outfit. And I'll see you in my next video where I'm sharing some outdated summer outfits that are literally aging you.